have not left yet. We are still waiting to leave Miami. We're checking out the ship, the Navigator. And so we made it up to the fitness area and spa area. And right outside they have this golf course, some shuffleboard, and cornhole. This morning you have a choice. You can go just around the pool deck on deck 11. That's the way around. Or you go up these steps to deck 12. You go all the way around of the ship and back down to 11 to go around the back. I forgot to show you down under that deck. You can't really see it, it's dark, but right under that awning, they call that the fitness breakfast. So in the morning for all the walkers and joggers, they set up a healthy breakfast under there. Serves breakfast, and so does Seti Mari. And this is the casino. We haven't left yet, so there's nobody playing right now since we're still in port. On the Navigator, their theater is the Seven Seas Lounge, and it is on deck 7 and 6. So we came in on deck 7. And there's deck 6. This is the Stars Lounge. Play the piano in here at night and have some drinks. And then on each side of the Stars Lounge, they also do small appetizer type things while you're sitting here waiting for dinner. And then here, you walk into the 6th floor of the theater. So I had done video from the 7th floor, and now I'm down on the 6th floor of the theater. the main bank of elevators. This is the back side. In the center of the ship. So that's pretty cool that they're glass. And this is the front of that center bank of elevators I just showed you. I'm on deck 6. This is the laundry area for guests to do their own clothes. This is on 8. They have a couple more on some different floors. They're not on every floor. They happen to be on 8, which is where we're at. So, 2 washing machines and 2 dryers. Please like and subscribe below. This is the main dining room called Compass Rose on Regent Seven Seas Navigator. This is the library on the Navigator. This is right next to Coffee Connections. This is the Coffee Connection area of the ship. That's where the library is. And then over here, next to the Coffee Connection, it's a little area where all day long you can get treats. Coffee bar here too, if you want to do your own. And they put these treats out throughout the day. Thanks for watching our video.
Like and subscribe
To see what's next.